start today's Bhagavatam. Um, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udiret Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhakti Bhavati Naishtiki. Hare Krishna. Today we continuing chapter 7, shloka number 15 to 18. Mata shishunam nidanam sutanam nishambe ghoram paritapyamana tada aruddha vapsha kala akulakshi akshi tam santvayan ah kiritamali tada shuchate प्रसृ प्रमृजामि भद्रे यद ब्रह्म बंधो शिर आततायिन गांडीव मुक्ते विशिशिकै उपहारे त्वा आक्रमे यत् स्नास्यसि दग्धपुत्राः इति प्रियां वल्गु विचित्र जल्पेयि स सान्त्वयित्वा अच्युतम अच्युतमित्रसुतः अनाद्रवत अंशित उग्रधन्वा कपिध्वज कुरुपुत्रं रथेन तम आपपंतम स विलक्ष दुरात कुमार हो कुमार उद्विग्न मनारथेन पराद्रवत प्राण परिप्सु उर्व्याम व्यावद्गमम रुद्र भयात यथा कह. प्लीज रीड प्रभुजी.
माता शिशूनां निधनं सुतानां निशम्य घोरं परितप्यमाना तद आरुद द्वाष्प कलाकुलाक्षी तां सान्त्वयन अह किरीटमाली तदा शुचः ते प्रमृज आमि भद्रे यद ब्रह्मबन्धोः क्षीर आततायिनः गांडीव मुक्तः विशिखः उपाहरे त्व आक्रम्य यत्स्नास्यसि दग्धपुत्रा इति प्रियां वल्गु विचित्रजल्पै स सान्त्वित्य अच्युत मित्रसुतः अन्वाद्रवत् दंशित उग्रधन्वा कपिध्वजः गुरुपुत्रं रथेन तम आपतान्तं सा विलाक्षदूरात् कुमार होद्विग्न मनारथेन परद्रवत् प्राणपरिप्सुः उर्व्यं यावद्गमं रुद्रभयात् यथा कः. कृपामयी सीता देवी माताजी, would you like to read once?
Yes, Mother. Yes, Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji. Understand. Mata Sisunam Nidanam Nidanam Sutanam Nisamaya Goram Paritapayamanam Tada Arutta Vaspakala Akula Aksi Tam
Akulakshi.
Akulakshi Satvinam Tam Sam Satvan Aha Kritamali
किरीटमाली.
Kritamali Tatchusha Te Prajamani Badre Yad Brahmana Bandaho Siraha Atatyana Gandhiva Muktiya Gandhiva Muktiya Visheka Uprahata Dva Akramaya Tat Snayasi Dadak Putra इति प्रियं वल्कु विचित्रा जाल्पया सह संतवायिता अच्युता मित्रा सुता सुधा अन्वाद्रवा दंसिता उग्रधन्व्या कापि ध्वजा गुरुपुत्रं रत्तिनी. Tam apatantam saha vilasya tura kumaraha udvigyamanam tattina aparadatvad prana paripusa urvam yat gamam rudra bayat yataka
Sridhar
gamanam.
Prabhuji, can you read once?
Thank you, Prabhuji. Dandatnam.
Dandavat Mataji. Sridhar Prabhuji, can you read once?
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Ma- माता शिशूनां निधनं सुधाननं निशम्य घोरां परितप्यमाना तदा कृतवाष्पव कलाकुलाशी तां सान्ध्यवयन् अह क्रीडमानी तदा कसस्ते ब्रह्मरुचामि पत्रे यद् ब्रह्मबन्धो शिर आददायिन गाण्डीव मुद्दैर्विसिकैरुपाहरे त्वक्कृग यत् स्नानास्यसि तत्र पुत्रः इति प्रियां वल्गु विचित्रजल्पै स शान्तवै त्वात्सुवमित्रसुतः अन्वार्त्रात् तत्सित उद्रतन्वां कपिध्वजो गुरुपुत्रं रदेन तत् आबदन्तं च विलक्ष्य दूरात् कुमारहोद्विग्न मनोरथेन परात्वत् प्राण परिभीषुर्वयं यावत् कमं रुद्रभयात् यथा कः. हरे कृष्ण.
Translation and purport by the Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Draupadi, the mother of 5 children of the Pandavas, after hearing of the massacre of her sons, began to cry in distress with eyes full of tears, trying to pacify her in her great loss. Arjuna spoke to her thus, O gentle lady, when I present you with the head of that Brahmana, after beheading him with arrows from my Gandhi bow, I shall then wipe the tears from your eyes and pacify you. Then, after burning your son's bodies, you can take your bath standing on his head. Arjuna, who is guided by the infallible Lord as friend and driver, thus satisfied the dear lady by such statements. Then he dressed in armor and armed himself with furious weapons, and getting into his chariot, he set out to follow Ashwathama, the son of his material teacher. Ashwathama, the murderer of the princess, seeing from a great distance Arjuna coming at him with a great speed, fled in his chariot, panic stricken, just to serve his life, as Brahma fled in fear from Shiva. Purport by the Srila Prabhupada. Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki jai. An enemy who set fire to the house administers poison, attacks all of a sudden with a deadly weapon, plunder wealth or usurp agricultural fields or enemies. One's wife is called an aggressor. Such an aggressor, though he be a Brahmana or so-called son of Brahmana, has to be punished in all circumstances. When Arjuna promised to behead the aggressor named Ashwathama, he knew well that Ashwathama was the son of Brahmana, but because the so-called Brahmana acted like a butcher, he was taken as such, and there was no question of sin in killing such a Brahmana's son who proved to be a villain. According to the reading matter, either Kah or Kah, there are 2 references in Puranas. Kah means Brahma, who once became allured by his daughter and began to follow her, which infuriated Shiva, who attacked Brahma with his trident. Brahmaji fled in fear of his life. As far as Arka is concerned, there is a reference in the Vaman Purana. There was a demon by the name Vidyumali, who was gifted with a glowing golden airplane which traveled to the back of the sun, and night disappeared because of the glowing effulgence of this plane. Thus the sun god became angry, and with his virulent rays he melted the plane. This enraged Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva then attacked the sun god, who fled away and at last fell down at Kashi Varanasi, and the place became famous as Lolark. ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरोः श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवान् च श्रीरूपं सागरजातं सगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं सहाद्वैतं साधूतं परिजन सहितं कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान सगण ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांच। नमो ओम विष्णु पादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात देश तारिणे। वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा। First of all, we congratulate the Karpe Gole Mataji. Her new name is Krupamai Sita Devi Dasi ki
जय।
Jai.
कृपामयी
Hare
सीता देवी
Krishna.
माता जी की
Thank
जय। कृपामयी सीता देवी
Thank
माता जी की जय। Let us
you.
Jai.
chant
Thank
Hare
you,
Krishna
Prabhuji.
Mahamantra once for Mataji. Hare
Thank you.
Hare
Thank
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna, Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
you.
Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare
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 Rama,
Ram,
Hare
Ram
Hare
Hare,
Ram,
Rama,
Hare
Ram
Hare.
Ram
Rama,
So
Hare
she
Hare.
is one of the
Hare
first to
Krishna.
get initiation, Harinam Diksha,
Thank you, thank
from
you,
our group.
thank you,
Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna Mataji.
Thank you,
Yes,
thank you,
Mataji,
Congratulations,
you
Prabhuji.
can
Mataji.
continue now.
Wonderful. By all grace of your mercy and your teachings only, Prabhuji, it made me all persons to get initiated, Prabhuji. And Mataji, and she took so much interest to teach me everything. Thank you, Prabhuji. I cannot eternally grateful to you both. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Dandavat
Thank you,
Pranam.
Mataji.
Everyone should be initiated in few days, month, and everyone should start in your place taking the Bhagavad Gita class or reading minimum.
Thank you,
Hare
thank
Krishna.
you, Prabhuji. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hare
Now we
Krishna.
Congratulations,
expect
Mataji.
Sridhar Prabhuji to be the next one to get the Harinam
Hare
Diksha, along with Punam
Hare
Mataji, Mala Mataji, and
Thank
Rajeshwari Mataji.
Hare
thank
Hare
you.
Krishna. Yes, Mataji, you can
Prabhu,
continue.
we try to understand from these shlokas how the Brahma feared from Shiva, and then Draupadi's 5 children, how Ashwatthama killed them when they are in sleeping stage, and when Arjuna take the vow to behead him, and that had given to the Draupadi after burning his son's bodies, he can take her bath standing on his head. And like this described in the shlokas, Prabhuji will tell us in detail. Hare Krishna. Here they told about the Arjuna, then Yudhishthir, Bhim, Nakul, Sahadev, all 5 brothers are 5 sons from that Draupadi, and those 5 sons killed by the Ashwatthama, though he is a Brahmana's son, and so he is called Brahma Bandhu. Yes, told Prabhuji ahead.
Hare Krishna. Thank you very much, Mataji. Hopefully, I am going to be audible properly and loudly and clearly. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So, we are seeing this chapter 7, where actually the Srimad Bhagavatam narration is starting. As we saw, Bhagavad Gita is something which was spoken on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, the song sung by the Lord, song sung by Krishna. And after the war is ending, the story of Srimad Bhagavatam is starting. And this is where the whole analysis is now started. We have seen how Shukdev Goswami ji was transcendental, he was powerful, dear to devotees, but still he underwent the studies of Bhagavatam so that his likings and attraction towards Krishna increases. And so he learned everything and then he narrated to Parikshit Maharaj. And Sud Goswami ji is telling that now whatever he has narrated, that is something which he would be discussing. Because the transcendental narration of Lord Krishna and topics of birth, activities, and deliverance of King Parikshit are something which are very, very important. The topics of the renunciation of the worldly order by the sons of Pandus enables us to understand how the Pandavas were on the same plane and how spiritually they were advanced and completely devoted to Sri Krishna. So after the war was over and Kauravas and Pandavas, they all found that now Dhritarashtra is the only person who is remaining because Duryodhan is already broken. His spine is broken by Bhimsen and so he cannot move. At that time, Ashwatthama did one of the earliest mistakes amongst the Brahmanas. He beheaded the 5 sleeping sons of Draupadi and delivered the heads as prize to Duryodhan. He thought that by looking all of that, Duryodhan will be pleased. But Duryodhana disapproved of such heinous act and he was not pleased. He understood that now there is no one left in the Kuru dynasty. Draupadi, the mother of the 5 children of the Pandavas, when she heard of the massacre of her sons, she was completely distressful and she was crying inconsolably. Her eyes were full of tears. And in such a situation of distress, Arjuna tried to pacify her. This was one of the greatest loss for any mother, to lose all the children at once. And so Arjuna told her that I will ensure that I will behead the Brahmana who had done this. I'll ensure that my arrows from my Gandhiva bow, they completely behead him. And that head I'll present. And then on that head, what you can do is, after that, you can wipe the tears from your eyes.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
And you can be pacified. And then we will do the last rites for the sons. And you can, in fact, take a bath after the last rite by standing on the head of that Brahmana. Now Arjuna is guided by Achyuta. Achyuta is Krishna, the infallible Lord. So Krishna accompanied Arjuna not only as a friend but also as his chariot driver. And when Arjuna spoke such words, Draupadi was satisfied that okay, the killer of my sons is going to be finished. And so Arjuna, since he had given a vachana, he dressed in armor, he armed himself with various weapons, he stood on his chariot and started following Ashwatthama. Now, Ashwatthama was not an unknown entity, he was the son of his own guru. But when Ashwatthama saw Arjuna coming from a distance, he understood that now he is very angry and he cannot fight him in battle. So he also started running. He took his own chariot, was completely panic stricken. He longed for his life, and so he ran. And the example given is here of how Brahma fled in fear from Vaishnava. But over a period of time, the horses of Ashwatthama, they were tired. And there was no other alternative left for him. And hence, he had the only option of using the ultimate weapon, which is Brahmastra. So one mistake leading to second mistake, leading to third mistake. And that is how the cycle is set in. When you start making mistakes, do not apologize and try to ensure you continue doing it. It is mentioned that the aggressors, whoever he be, has to be punished in all circumstances. Now, here, though he was a Brahmana, still Ashwatthama, because he had made a mistake, he is an aggressor. So the scriptures say that enemy who sets fire to house, who administers poison, who attacks with deadly weapons, 3, who plunders wealth or usurps agricultural fields, and 5, who entices one's wife, is called an aggressor. Now here, Ashwatthama had attacked all of a sudden with deadly weapon, the sleeping kids, and hence he was an aggressor. And so it was apt that he be punished. So when Arjuna is promising to behead the aggressor, still knowing that he is the son of a Brahmana, it was obviously all right because Ashwatthama at that point of time had acted like a butcher. And so he was supposed to be a butcher. And so there was going to be no sin in killing such a deviated person. And that is why it is important. And he knew everything. He was already trained. And even after further training, he had got Krishna's blessing. So, to prove that his decision of punishing Ashwatthama is appropriate, the word immediate explanation which comes in the shloka is Arjuna is friend of Achyuta. And if you remember, the Bhagavad Gita starts with this word Achyuta being spoken by Arjuna. So Arjuna addresses Krishna for the very first time as Achyuta. First chapter, 21st shloka. अर्जुन उवाच सेनयो उभयो मध्ये रथं स्थाप्य मे अच्युत यावत् एतान् निरीक्षे अहं योद्धुकामान् अवस्थितान् कैर्मया स योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे. So Achyuta, Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead. Out of his causeless mercy, he was engaged in the service of Arjuna, his friend. Krishna never fails in his affection for his devotees, and so he is addressed as infallible. As carrier, he had to carry out the orders of Arjuna, and since he did not hesitate to do so, he is also addressed as infallible. Though he had accepted the position of a carrier of his devotee, his supreme position was never challenged. He is Rishikesh, the Lord of total senses. The relationship between Krishna and his servitor is sweet, transcendental. The servitor is always ready to render service to Lord, and similarly, Lord is also always seeking an opportunity to render some service to the devotee. And that is what is happened. And that is why a shloka wherein Achyuta is mentioned becomes very, very
No sound.
important. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Am I audible now? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji,
Yeah, thank you.
audible to me.
Thank you, Mataji. So, Achyuta Mitra Sutaha. So, Arjuna is guided by infallible Lord as a friend and rival. Similarly, in our life, we need to be always guided by Krishna with teaching. And Krishna has made that possible. When he addressed Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna, it was not for him alone, it was for all of us, so that we understand it and we overcome all our hesitations in life, all the distress in our life, and ensure that we are able to go back home, back to Godhead. So just like Arjuna was guided in his decisions, similarly we can be guided. And it was because of all these circumstances that Ashwatthama became worried, he panicked, and he wanted to flee away. But then he could not. So here when the word Ka and Arka are coming, there are references in the Puranas. Ka means Brahma and Arka is the reference is in Vamana Purana. So we all know the story how Sun God became angry, melted the plain, Lord Shiva then attacked Sun God, who fled away, and then we came to the place of Lorarka as Mataji read in the Parpat. But yes, what is important to understand is that we have to overcome all these activities. Let us chant as much as possible with Krishna and go back home, back to Godhead. Hare Krishna.